step back.
Remo, come! Remo, come! Remo, come! You want cheese? Cheese? You want cheese? Come!
Oh, he's so cute.
Come here, come! Come get cheese!
Amanda, get a small piece of cheese for him and hand it to Gwen. Out of the cooler.
Remo, come! Come!
He might do it again.
Remo, come! Remo, come!
He's thinking about it.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
is.
you definitely know it's crossing his mind.
Yeah.
He just wants me to go all the way over there again. Nate. Oh my god, they're holding onto the jet ski to come back in.
Nemo, you want cheese? Here, give him half. Give him. You can have a little bit. Oh, Anthony!
Yeah. Where'd it go? Did you lose the piece of cheese? I got another piece!
You want?
No, I got a piece. Oh,
He
no, I
needs
lost
to
it.
see it.
Nemo, cheese!
I ate that one piece though, and it was good.
Nemo, cheese! What a bride. Nemo, cheese! Cheese? Come on, Nemo, cheese! Cheese! Nemo, come! Here you go. Cheese! Come on, Nemo! Come on, Nemo!
Oh, good boy.
Oh, bugger!
He bit you? He was going to get that cheese, no matter if he drowns.
Why? Are you fucking serious? What? I'm so sorry. What? You. What did I do? Oh, you stopped. You let go.
What happened?
Last time she stroked Sarah's camera and got the one. That's why I told you not to do it. I have no idea. I am so sorry. Man. Sorry. Are you fucking with me? You're smiling. You're fucking with me? No, because I'm just like, I was so fucking pissed. I am so sorry, sir. I have no idea you had. Oh my god!
Anthony, I want to see that guilty face. You fucker. You ruined her camera. You ruined her camera. How much does he owe you for that camera now?
Yeah, seriously though.
I don't know what that is.
How much does he owe you for that camera?
At least like $300. Alright, I'll get you. I swear to God. Don't make that face.
$500. With my $500 on the boat, that's $1,000.
Dude, you better pay for her fucking camera.
Oh,
How much
I
is that
swear,
camera?
I will.
She said it was a gift, like from her uncle, but her uncle said it was 300. Her uncle said it was $300.
3,000!
But it's probably a lot more than that.
No way. What is that? Is that a 35 millimeter? That looks like the 35 millimeter extended exposure. Those run $1,100, dear.
Oh shit.
Sarah, are you crying?
She's a little upset.
Sorry.
I am so sorry. I had absolutely no idea about
That's John giving Anthony the finger.
hang myself. While you were pouting, I grabbed the camera and I moved it to the front of the boat.
Oh yeah.
You involved too, you son of a bitch?
I got the wink and I went with it.
Everybody knew about you. I don't know how quickly we got everybody on the same page, but...
And don't be fucking wetting my camera. I will lay you down, you little bitch.
You'd have to get in the water to get me. You're not
I'll find you somewhere.
Come on.
Come on.
Let's do it!
Oh, shut up and float some more.
bag, you're drowning out in the water.
I'm out of breath.
Yeah, you got.
Wow, that was pretty bad.
Just like a fag, you want to see my ass.
Oh man, did they fuck you on that one?
She said she was crying. I was about to cry because I made her cry. The entire ride over here, I told Johnny, and the entire ride over here, Sarah was like laughing. I was like, stop laughing. Stop laughing. I tried to keep a serious
That's
face.
why you're hiding your face. I think you're
That's why you were hiding your face, because you were laughing. Say la vie.
That was pretty good, though. They got me.